Jane Austen works in chronological order. The very first one is Sense and Sensibility, originally written as an epistolary novel. Epistolary novel is basically written in a form of letter, published in 1811. And let's see the plot in brief. After their father's death, the Dashwood sisters, Eleanor and Mariana, and their mother are forced to leave their home. They face love, heartbreak, and financial insecurity while learning life's true value. Main characters are Eleanor Dashwood, Marian Dashwood, Edward Ferrars, Colonel Brandon, and John Willoughby. Key themes: sense versus sensibility, marriage, love versus security, social property and reputation, women's limited options. Notable point is first published novels of Jane Austen, Anonymous by a Lady, balanced blend of comedy and drama. Eleanor represents sense and Marian represents sensibility. So you can check this novel in detail, very important novel from the exam point of view. The next novel is also most important, and that is Pride and Prejudice, which came in 1813, originally written as First Impression. The question always asked, Pride and Prejudice, originally written as, so just remember it was originally written as First Impression. Let's see plot in brief. In Hertfordshire, the Bennet family's 5 daughters must marry well. Elizabeth Bennet and the proud Mr. Darcy, initially clashed due to misunderstandings, gradually both overcome their pride and prejudice and find love. So main characters here are Elizabeth Bennet, Mr. Fitzgerald Darcy, Jane Bennet, Charles Bingley, Mr. and Mrs. Bennet, and Lydia Bennet. So key theme here is pride versus prejudice, first impression and personal growth, marriage, class and social mobility, wit, intelligence and social satire. Most famous and popular novel. Sharp satire on matchmaking, entitlement, and society. Iconic opening line, often called her darling child. It is. In 1814, Mansfield Park. And let's see the plot in brief. Fanny Price, a poor girl, is sent to live with her wealthy relative at Mansfield Park. She grows up quickly. She grows up quietly, observing the moral failing around her and remains true to her principles. So the main characters are Fanny Price, Edmund Bertram, Sir Thomas Bertram, Henry Crawford, Mary Crawford, and Maria Bertram. Key themes is morality and virtue, class and social hierarchy, theater, religion and reform, critique of slavery, Antigua state. Notable point, you have to check that more serious and mature in tone, strong emphasis on morality and upbringings. Fanny is a quiet but steadfast heroine. The next work is in 1815-16, Emma. Clever, wealthy, and self-confident Emma Woodhouse enjoys playing matchmaking in Highbury. Her meddling creates confusion. Finally, she learns humility and finds love. So the notable characters are Emma Woodhouse, Mr. George Knightley, Harriet Smith, Mr. Elton, Frank Churchill, and Jane Fairfax. Themes are self-deception and personal growth, class distinctions, friendship and matchmaking, village life, and social norms. Last novel published in Austen lifetime. Emma is the last novel published in Austen lifetime. Heroine with no financial incentive to marry. Lighter, humorous tone with rich social details. The next novel is Northanger Away, and it was originally titled Suzanne, published in 1818, posthumously published after the death of Jane Austen. Catherine Morland, fond of Gothic novels, visit Bath and befriend the Tilneys. Her overactive imagination leads to comic misunderstandings about romance and mystery. So the main characters are Catherine Morland, Henry Tilney, John Thorpe, Isabella Thorpe, Eleanor Tilney. So satire of Gothic fiction. Now key point, you have to remember that it is a satire of Gothic fiction, imagination versus reality, coming of age and maturity, friendship and kindness are the major themes. Notable point, earliest completed major novel, and playful, parodic, and highly entertaining critiques, sensational literature. And the next one is also in 1818, Persuasion. Anne Elliot was persuaded years ago to reject the man she loved, Captain Wentworth. They reunite after years of separation. Love, regret, and second chance shape their journey. Major characters are Anne Elliot, Captain Frederick Wentworth, Sir Walter Elliot, Lady Russell, the Musgroves. And the major themes are persuasion and regret, maturity and consistency, novel merit versus inherited status, family and financial struggle. Final completed novel, most mature and deeply emotional, celebrate consistency, constancy and quiet strength. Other notable works is Juvenilia, an early short work, parodied and stories, examples, Love and Friendship, The History of England. Lady Susan, epistolary novella about a clever, manipulative, and selfish widow, darker satire than her novels. Unfinished work, The Watsons, incomplete, Sally written, fragmented. The unfinished work is The Watson. And writing style, Jane Austen is irony, social satire. She used irony, social satire, realism, focus on everyday life and real character. Free indirect discourse reveals characters' thoughts beautifully. Strong female characters are in her novel and novel of manners. She was called the queen of the novel of manners. Perfect portrayal of Regency English society. So let's quick revise. First published novel is Sense and Civility in 1811. Most famous novel is Pride and Prejudice in 1813. Most moral novel is Mansfield Park 1814. And matchmaking novel is Emma 1815. Gothic satire is Northanger Abbey 1818. Second chance love story is Persuasion in 1818. First draft of P&P First Impressions. Northanger Abbey original title Suzanne, published anonymously, Be a Lady. Unfinished novel is The Watsons and Sanditon, And major technique: irony, free, indirect discourse, social satire, novel or manners.